What is up, fam? It's been a hella while. You know, I'm finally here back with a new video. I'm sorry for the wait. Haven't got anything new. Well, I mean, I have, but I haven't gotten the time to get to it, or I've just really been busy and stuff. But I got something pretty cool. It's different, super different. Not your usual clothing article or, you know, a piece or wear, but it's I think it's worth making a video for. So, sorry, from the packaging, as you can see, your boy got something from the primetime Amazon. You know, that smiley face. Does that look? Oh gosh, dang, it seems heavy. I'm not gonna show the top part because obviously, you know, personal information on there, you know, shipping label and stuff. So let's get into this unboxing. Before we go any further, in the title you can already tell it is a book. Yes, we are unboxing a book here on the Support Bougie channel for my bougiful people. Ooh. Another one. Happy New Year. Oh snap. Check this out. Woohoo! Nothing else inside the box. Throw it down the side, and here it is. I don't even want to open it, but like I want to show y'all what's going on inside. I'm excited, yo. I did wait a while to get it because I just didn't feel like spending 100+ on a book, especially with already buying school books and stuff like that, you know, etc. So anyways, this is the special edition, so you know, it's not your average one you would see. I did see this, the one that's not special edition, the regular. It was at my local Barnes & Nobles, and yeah, a lot of differences. So the Barnes & Noble or the regular version is actually a picture of, the front cover is actually a picture of Virgil holding this book. So it's pretty, it's like an illusion, I guess. That's what he's going for. But for this, you actually get this as the front. Oh, it's not even the front of the book. It's a book cover sleeve thingy. And this is how the spine looks like, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the regular only has 1, 2, 3 at the back of the spine, sleeve. Yeah, see, look, US 150. Dang. Let's open it up, I guess. Do I really want to open it though? Yeah, okay, let's just go. So again, front artwork, bottom Virgil Abloh. He did not write the book, I don't think so, but this was a MCA Chicago piece. It was a release from them. Can we see that? I'm sorry. Just gotta be careful so we don't damage the book. Oh, did I damage the book? No, we're good. All right, you know what? I'm not even gonna use a knife no more. I do not want to go any further using sharp tools around. So here we go. I don't care how I open it. At this point, there's nothing special on the wrapping. Ooh. Want to make sure the table is clean. All right, let me put that down. Oh man, this is so dope. So let me just get closer a little bit. If you look at the material of the book, it is a cloth material. Well, that's for the sleeve again. And if you're wondering what I mean sleeve, it's the cover, okay? This is actually protection, nothing else inside, as you can see, in and out. All right, I'm gonna leave this on the side. I'm not throwing this. No, I am not. Bam! The book itself, the front of the book is the same as the front of the sleeve, artwork, etc. Going to the back though, well, let's go with the side since we're already here. On the side, personal copy with his infamous quotes. Here's the back, bam. Virgil Abloh, what the? Virgil Abloh, figure of speeches. 1980 to 2019. What is wrong with me today? MCA, okay? A couple of things that is different from the regular version and the special edition is that, again, you have the sleeve and it's not the same material, or I think, I'm not too sure. Forgot how it was because when I went back to Barnes & Noble, it was sold out. That was pretty amazing. One other key feature that is different in the special edition is the measuring tape as a bookmarker. See, now I'm gonna go open it. Let's go check out how it looks like inside. If I can just, let me fix the camera real quick. We're not gonna go through the whole book, obviously. That'll be like a 9 million hour video, whatever. So front page is museum. Here is that measuring tape we were talking about. I don't know if it is attached to the book. Give me a second. Let's go check it out. Hold on. Wow. Oh, wow. Hey. That piece just came. All right, well, anyways, no, it's not. Wow, okay, so it's actually, he actually gave us, oh wait, no, it is attached. Oof, my bad. L. Oh yeah, okay, there it is. Here we go. Let me just fold this real quick. If you can see, the measuring tape is actually in there. Can you see that? I think other things that are different, there's supposed to be a CD in here if I'm not mistaken, but couple of things. Like, let's focus real quick. Hey, okay. Everybody's going crazy on that one. So that's how the measuring tape works. I believe, I don't know, I was reading the difference. There's also a CD or something. So I don't see no, oh, there it is. Something about Playboy Cardi, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't think I'm going to, it's a vinyl, or I'm not too sure. I do not want to sound stupid, so I'm just gonna let y'all do what you think it is. You can see the outline, but it is on there. I'm not gonna take it off. You gotta cut it off. You can see that dotted line where you cut it. But let me try. Hold on. See if I could like. Oh, there. Okay, cool. So I thought it was part of the page. So okay, so that's the okay, I got it. So how it says 4 right there. So, oh my goodness, I really do not want to like bend the book. Give me a second. I'm gonna look like a fool, like hella right now. Sound 4, and as I said, on the regular version, on the side of the book, it says 1, 2, 3, 4. On the regular, it's 1, 2, 3. So the 4 is here, the sound part. Now, I don't got no vinyl player to play this, and I don't know how these work, but you can see that. Personally, I think it's just dope. It's just a dope book to have if you're into this kind of stuff. See his projects, if you're into design. It's basically an art gallery in a book. I mean, it is from MCA, Chicago, which is, you know, Museum of Contemporary Art. All right, and that's basically it. Before I wrap up the video though, I will have some b-roll footage of the book, you know, flipping through it and etc. You'll see what I mean. But I just want to thank you guys for sticking through it. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, and I thought this would be a good one for a little comeback. I ain't gonna promise that I'm coming back with like more content, because I can't make promises if I'm gonna break them. So yeah, but I'm gonna try. I will try. This is one first piece that'll motivate me. And you know, I didn't even notice that I have actually a handful of followings on here. So yeah, again, b-roll footage and a video. You guys enjoy the rest of your month, year. Happy New Year. And yeah, appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one. Peace.